Let's get you the latest updates coming in on the Kerala gold smuggling scam. There's been a stunning claim made by the NIA in its additional counter filed in connection with the bail plea of the accused in this scam. The NIA has drawn a suspected link between Dawood Ibrahim and the smuggling suspects. In the counter that's been filed in court, NIA says that during the custodial interrogation of the main accused, Rameez, he's revealed that he had attempted to start a diamond business in Tanzania and had also tried to obtain a gold mining license. NIA has now attempted to draw a link with the recent reports that have mentioned about Dawood's diamond business in Tanzania. NIA also refers to the UN Security Council summary on Dawood and the fact sheet that's been published by the US Department of Treasury, which specifically mentioned about Dawood's activities in Africa. So the NIA has made a mention of all these in its counters to state that perhaps Dawood Ibrahim also could be involved in this gold smuggling scam. Gopi Krishna Unitan is joining us live from Thiruvananthapuram with more details. So on this, Gopi, good morning. More facts that are tumbling out with regards to this particular case. You know, the NIA has been investigating the scam, but on what basis are they saying that Dawood Ibrahim could also be involved now?
Very good morning, Akshita. The actual claims and references made in this particular document are really shocking and stunning, to say the least. Because there is one particular point in that particular document in which the NIA is saying that Rameez, who is one of the key accused, at one point of time during the interrogation, he has admitted or he has revealed that he had plans to start a diamond business in Tanzania. And later he tried to obtain a gold mining license in the same country. And also there is another reference about the fact that this very person had actually bought some gold from Tanzania and he actually sold that in UAE. The very next...
Apologies, we've lost that connection with Gopi. He was getting us details of what really has been mentioned by the NIA in court. This is with regards to an alleged Dawood link that's now emerged. As per the NIA, they're now looking into this angle as well because of one of the accused, Rameez, making a mention of the fact that he had attempted to start a diamond business in Tanzania.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.